No, no, no. The red button, not the blue button.
Sarah, what are you doing? Look at the screen. It is red.
Oh my God, the money is disappearing. $1,000, $5,000, zero.
We are losing millions. Fix it now. Fix it.
I need my phone. Where is my phone? Paul! Paul! Answer the phone.
Hello, honey? Why is it so loud?
Paul, it is a disaster. The financial system is broken.
Calm down. Take a deep breath.
No time for breaths. The boss is screaming. The files are gone.
Are you coming home for dinner?
No, I am staying here. I'm staying until midnight. Maybe until tomorrow.
But the kids are hungry.
Listen to me, Paul. Order Chinese food. Only Chinese food.
Chinese food?
Yes. Call the restaurant. Order the noodles. Order the rice. I have to go.
But honey?
No buts. The system is crashing. Bye.
Daddy, is Mommy okay?
Is she crying?
Mommy is having a very red day at the office, kids.
What about dinner? Is it Chinese food?
Mommy says Chinese food. But I see a pizza oven.
A pizza oven?
Yes, Chinese food is boring. A homemade pizza is a mission.
A secret mission?
Exactly. Let's make a surprise. A giant golden pizza.
Mommy will be so happy.
Speed is everything. To the supermarket. Look at the list, Toby. We need flour.
I see it. Small bag or big bag?
The big bag, it is heavy. Oof. Lift it, Toby.
I am strong. I am a muscle man.
Now the tomatoes. These are red. These are very red.
Are they fresh, Lily?
Yes, they smell like the garden.
1, 2, 3, 10.
Daddy, look! The cheese section.
We need yellow cheese. Not white cheese, not blue cheese.
This cheese is big like a house.
Put 3 blocks in the cart. 1, 2, 3.
And the pepperoni, the spicy, salty pepperoni.
I am running. I am searching. I see the pepperoni.
Is it expensive, Daddy?
It doesn't matter. It is for Mommy's surprise.
The cart is very heavy now. Push, Lily, push.
We are a fast team to the house.
Welcome to the pizza lab. Hats on.
You look like a real chef, Daddy.
Rule 1, the oven is a volcano. It is hot. Do not touch.
No touch the volcano. Understood.
Rule 2, clean hands. Wash the germs away.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. My hands are sparkling.
Step 1, the flour. Toby, open the bag.
I am opening, I am pulling. Puff.
Oh no, it is snowing. It is snowing in the kitchen.
Toby, you're a snowman. Your nose is white.
Look at the dog. The dog is white too.
Everything is messy. The floor is white. The table is white.
It's okay now. The water. Pour it slowly, Lily.
Glug, glug, glug.
Now we mix. My fingers are stuck.
It is sticky. It is very sticky.
Push the dough. Pull the dough. Roll the dough.
Push, pull, roll, push, pull, roll.
Look now, it is a perfect ball. It is soft. It is beautiful. Now for the best part, the toppings.
Mash, mash, mash. The sauce is thick and red.
Spread it. Make a big red circle on the dough.
Now the cheese. A mountain of yellow cheese.
It looks like a volcano with yellow snow.
And finally, the pepperoni.
Oh, it smells so salty. It smells so good.
Toby, your hand is near the pepperoni.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Daddy, Toby is going to eat the surprise.
Toby, remember the mission. The pizza is for Mommy.
But I am a hungry astronaut. My stomach is rumbly.
Wait, Toby. Wait for the oven.
Just one little piece?
No, not one piece.
Look, Toby. Look at the window.
Mmm.
Daddy, he ate it.
Toby, you are a naughty chef.
Sorry. It was delicious.
Okay. Stop eating. To the oven.
I have the sponge. Wipe the table. Wipe the chairs.
I have the broom. Sweep the floor. Sweep the flour.
Good. Wash the bowls. Dry the spoons.
The kitchen is shiny now. Mommy will love it.
I am tired. Cleaning is hard work.
Sit down, kids. Let's wait.
Sniff, sniff. Daddy?
What is that? It smells like a campfire?
Oh, no. The volcano.
There is smoke. Black smoke everywhere.
Open the oven. Fast.
It is not a pizza anymore.
It is a black rock. It is hard. Clink, clink.
We failed the mission. I am so sad.
No dinner for Mommy. Only a black rock.
Hey, look at me. Don't be sad.
But the pizza is burnt, Daddy.
Mistakes are part of the mission. We have more flour.
Really? Can we try again?
Yes, a chef never gives up. Pizza number 2 starts now.
Yay. This time, no burning.
Look at that. Gold yellow, red, perfect.
It is the most beautiful pizza in history.
I am so sleepy. It is so late.
Let's wait for Mommy on the sofa.
Hello. Is anyone awake?
Oh my, the house is so quiet.
The kitchen is so clean. It smells amazing. Paul? Toby? Lily? Look at them, sleeping on the sofa. My 3 tired chefs. Mommy?
Mommy, you are home.
Shh. It's okay.
Mommy, did you fix the financial system?
Yes, Toby. The system is blue now. No more red numbers.
And your dinner? Did you eat Chinese food?
No, I was too busy. I am starving.
Look at the table, Mommy.
Is that a homemade pizza?
We made it. The first one was a black rock, Mommy.
We had a flower snowstorm, but we didn't stop.
You did this for me? You are my heroes.
Can we eat now? I am a hungry lion again.
Yes. Let's eat the best pizza in the world.
Ha ha ha. Did you like our story?
If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel.
Give us a like and leave a comment below.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.